Hello everyone. Today I will be sharing with you one of my favorite cake, the strawberry cream cake. And I will also be showing you how to make your strawberry filling at home using fresh strawberries. So let's get started. We begin with the egg-free vanilla cake sponge. Whisk all of them well to form a smooth lump-free batter. Pour them equally in the prepared tins and bake it in a preheated oven at 160 degrees for 25 minutes or so. While the cake sponges are baking, let's get started with our fresh strawberry filling. In a pan, take chopped strawberries and let it cook on low heat till it releases its juices and gets mushy. This is where all the magic begins. Keep stirring it. Now add sugar and cook it for a minute or two till the sugar dissolves. The corn flour goes in next. Stir the filling continuously. Within a few seconds, the strawberry filling will start to thicken. Cook for a minute or so and switch off the flame. The consistency should be thick and not runny. The mixture thickens more after cooling down completely. Our home-done strawberry filling from scratch is now ready. Getting on with dressing our cake now. Unmold the cake and slice off the peaks of the sponge to get a leveled layer. Place one sponge on your serving plate and put some syrup. Pipe the cake edges with the whipped cream and fill the center with the filling. Place the other sponge over it. Now, using more cream, cover the sides of the cake. and with the help of your pellet knife, smoothen the walls of the cake. Pipe a circle of whipped cream on the outer edge and fill the center with the strawberry filling. Scrape the sides of the cake again to get a smooth finish. Our easy home-done strawberry cake with fresh strawberry filling is ready. Do chill the cake in the fridge for an hour or so before slicing and enjoying. It's a perfect cake for any celebration.